Welcome back, everybody. So, I did not realize that Home Depot sold exhaust tips. We had two options there. The sales guy talked me into the 13-incher because, I told him I didn't want to look like a douche, so he said, okay, the 26-incher is not going to be the one for you. So, I ended up leaving Home Depot a few days ago with this Butte. Invest in America, that sold me too. Even comes with an exhaust hanger. So today, I'm going to show you how to install it and the benefits of doing something like this. As you guys probably saw before, I did this with a mattress the other day. It was a big hit. So, let's get to it. Before we start, shout out to Daily Truck Fix, #1 truck page in America. Go follow them on Instagram. Let's get to it. Okay, everybody. So today, I'm showing you this 13-inch exhaust tip from Home Depot and how to install it, what it's going to do to your truck, and all the benefits to it. So, first thing you're going to do, get a hole in the bottom. It's going to want to be big enough to get over the old exhaust tip. Slide the old drill on like so. Make sure your exhaust hanger's up right here. What we're going to do, we have this strap back here. This is just for extra security, guys. This isn't a must, but you want it to look as best as it possibly can. Don't skimp out. So you want to throw that like that. Don't even need to hook it up. There it is. Now let me show you a before and after clip of this thing, what this tip actually does, and why the hell somebody would actually buy one and put this thing on their truck. And for you guys that like diesels better when they're off, this is what it sounds like when it's off. Super quiet, way quieter than the one I had before. When I bought this tip, I thought it was going to be temporary, but I'm really starting to like this thing. A lot more people have noticed my truck. It's just an easy mod that provides results. Other things I've noticed, rolls way more coal. The guy was right, it's got to add at least 50 horse. I mean, there's so many positives, I don't know why everybody doesn't have one of these on their truck. So as you saw before, install was extremely easy. Amazing mod. I'm going to show you how to take it off in case you have a date with, say, maybe a Prius owner, somebody that hates big tips, So, to take it off, all you got to do, get your strap loose, drop the strap out, yank this puppy chucker off, throw it the back, get rid of the strap, close her up, and off to your date you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit like. Stay tuned for the next ones.